I'm a fourth-year college student pa lang po from Ateneo. And yung character ko, isa siyang government official under Pilato's rule. So the main lesson that I think the audience can get from this is to never forget to listen to multiple perspectives. Because there's never just one version of a story. So in several perspectives, in several versions of a story, ano yung pakikinggan natin at paano natin malalaman kung sino yung nagsasabi ng totoo? That question was relevant 2,000 years ago, and that question is very relevant right now, especially in the Philippines. So kung mapapansin niyo po, syempre the title of the play is Pilato, no? Pero Pilato is not really the main character or the main story. Hindi sa kanila umiikot yung kwento. Kasi itong play na to, it was very well written kasi binibigyan niya ng spotlight lahat ng perspectives. It's not just about the story of Pilato. There's also the perspective of Pilato's wife, si Procla. There's also the perspective of government officials under Pilato, yung kaming tatlo, si Decimus, si Publius, si Marcus. Pero nandyan din yung perspective ng masa. Nandyan din yung perspective ni Jesus. So, maraming perspective na papakinggan. So, gusto namin na paglabas ng audience sa theater is pati sila napapatanong na din. We started the play with a question, ano ba ang katotohanan? And we ended with the same question, na yung audience na mismo yung nagtatanong sa sarili nila. So, yeah.